Hi, I'm Chef Raphael and welcome to Cooking with Chef Raphael, the show that brings you easy to cook meals at home. Make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel so that you actually get regular updates on every time I post a new video. Today I'm going to show you a fine and easy recipe for pancakes. The difference is this one is gluten free. I'm not using wheat flour, I'm using oats. It's an oat and banana pancake. So for the ingredients, like I said, oats. This is 2 cups of oats. We have milk, 1 cup of milk, that's about 250 ml. We'll use 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 banana, a medium-sized banana, even a large one you can use one, but so long as it's one. We have some honey, 2 eggs, some salt. Now, what will actually make all this come together is a blender. We actually need a blender for this. So starting with the oats. When it comes to sweetening, even something like this, because it has the banana, you can skip the honey, but the recipe says 2 tablespoons of honey. 2. And now the mixture is thick. Transfer it to a bowl. So when it comes to cooking of pancakes, there are a few rules that you need to consider, especially how big of a pancake do you want. To make it even more tasty, I'll actually use margarine, because margarine has extra flavor to it. You can also use oil. So this is the size. You try and measure and approximate the same amount of pancake mixture for each scoop that you will add. What I've just done is that you pour at the very center of the pan and then let it spread. So what is happening here is that the pancake is rising because of the baking powder we added, and then you know it's ready to turn when you start seeing many holes on top of the pancake. Be careful not to use a very hot pan because they will actually burn. And then for the other side, you still need more margarine. So I like my pancakes slightly crispy. So I'm done with the cooking, and this recipe has given me about 8 of these small pieces. You can actually have it plain because it has a banana flavor, but the other way you can do it is by pouring honey on top. Now the amount of honey will be determined by how sweet you want it to be. This has been Chef Raphael. Make sure you subscribe to the channel so that you actually, like I said, to be able to get the notification whenever I post a new recipe. And until next time, this has been Cooking with Chef Raphael. Goodbye.